life! Buddy Chef Pete is here today, and as you can see, my hair is frazzled. So you don't need to know what's going on around here, but I can tell you from experience, tests of things cause people to feel off edge. So remember that. Okay, so today I have got some pounded pork chops. I've got some beautiful pork chops here that I'm going to make on the grill with some grilled veggies, okay? All right, so we're gonna set these pork chops over here behind me because I'm not gonna start them up yet. What I am gonna do while the grill is heating up over here, this is our grill, it's heating up, I am going to start by cutting some potato right here. And I'm gonna cut some potato nice and thin so that we can get the potato onto our grill. And then I'm gonna get some onion right on top of that. But first I wanna get the potato cut. And I think I'm gonna go something like this. Oh, he's starting, I can hear him. And then let's get this potato. There's a little bit there and some here. And we're just gonna cut him like this and get him on our grill. There we go. And remember, when you're grilling, whether you're grilling on a stove, on a grill pan, or you're using a grill like this, just cut everything so it's all about the same size, right? I'm gonna get a little oil on here. There we go, okay? And then I'm going to come over here and find an onion. Let's cut some onion. I'm just going to cut some onion up. And we'll get some onion on there because, you know, grilled vegetables are really good. Especially if you start with your onion and your potato on the bottom, you'll get a nice crust with the olive oil. And it makes it really, really delicious for, you know, the eating of the beautiful veggies, right? Okay, so I'm gonna get some salt on here. There's some salt, okay? And garlic, I've got garlic. Let's get some garlic. Alrighty, vegetables love garlic, so get some on there. And a little oregano, because I'm making Italian vegetables today, okay? Alright, so we got it going. And I think while these are going, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna cut some peppers. And I think we'll do some yellow pepper today. An orange pepper. So I have yellow and orange. And I think some squash is always good. We'll get some squash on there. And some red. So we get some nice color of peppers in here. And you know, peppers are really good. And they're good fiber. And they make a nice, beautiful color to your veggies. See, look, we'll get them right on there. And the last thing we're going to do is put on here our pork chops today on the other side of the grill here. We're just going to get these on there so they're just going really well. Remember, you can grill with an indoor grill like I have, or use a grill pan on your stove, whatever you like. Or if you like, you go outside and you use your barbecue. But grilling is a nice way to get the flavor and everything delicious, all the deliciousness onto your veggies and whatever meat you're cooking. There we go. We get some more olive oil on there. Olive oil is good for us, right? Okay, so we're going to let that cook for a little while, and then I'm going to come on this other side here, and I'm going to spray just a little olive oil on the grill, just a little, and I'm going to throw some.
What's the recipe we're doing today?
This is Chef Pete's grilled vegetables and pork chops, Anthony. It's a delightful recipe. Then you can do this with whatever meat you like. And I'm going to get some salt on the pork chops, and I'm going to get a little oregano on there, just like this, and some garlic. I'm going to get some garlic on here. There we go. And just pick them up and throw them right on. You hear it going? There you go. There you go. There we go. We got it going. Okay. So now what we're going to do is get some more it won't take long to cook these, so I'm going to get these cooked, and then I'm going to pull them to the side and turn the heat down to just warm, so they're a little more salt over here, so that we don't overcook them. I just want them to get a nice grill mark, and then we'll put some gravy with them when we get them to serve, okay? All right. So we've got them going good here now, and I need to get my tongs out. So what we do here is we let the grill do the hard work, and I'm going to take my spatulas here and just give it a quick mix over here on this side. Just like this we go. And I'm going to stick underneath. There we go. And then what I'm going to do on the veggies is I am going to put the lid. I have lids for these. And we're going to find the lid here. And I'm going to get a lid on these veggies because we're going to steam the veggies. And then we're going to come back to our pork chops, which are cooking really fast. Okay, so there goes our veggies. We're going to let those steam under there. Beautiful. Then I'm going to come over here on our pork chops, and we'll take a look and see what's happening here. Oh yeah, he's looking good. And this will take about another 4 minutes or so on this side, and we'll have them cooked. All right, so while that's cooking, I'm going to come over here and cut up some of this squash, because we're going to come and get the squash right on top of our veggies here in about 3 or 4 minutes. It doesn't take long to steam the veggies with these little lids. They really come in handy. And then what I'm going to do is just put this squash on top. I'll leave it until we go to serve it. So there we have our squash. All right. Our pork chops are good. So what we're going to do with the pork chops is just turn this temperature down. There we go. Right there. And we're going to take a look underneath, make sure I got a grill mark going. Oh yeah, he's good. And good, okay. So what we're going to do now is take and cover our pork chops. We have another lid. And when we come back, we're going to show you how the veggies are going, okay? And we're going to put our squash on top, and then we'll be able to have a nice meal, okay? So there we go. Let's take a look at our veggies. There they go. They're looking really well here. They're looking really, really good. And when we come back, we'll have our squash on there, and we will make some plates. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizza. Make some meat. Make some veggies. Use your grills. Outside, inside, stovetop, whatever you got. So this is Peter Carpizza. Thank you for watching. Make simple, delightful, delicious, vitamin-full, fiber-full meat and veggies. So this is Pete out.